Hi, I'm Melanie and today I'm telling you about Quilt as Desired. So this course is designed to guide you through 25 free motion quilting designs, one step at a time, so you can build skill, confidence, and rhythm at your own pace. All right, free motion quilting can be overwhelming in the beginning. And if you think you are the only person making those jagged marks with your sewing machine, you are mistaken. We were all you in the beginning, okay? And the truth is that the only thing that's going to make you better is to go back to your machine over and over and over again and keep stitching. Progress is very slow, or let me say this, progress was incredibly slow for me, but every quilter needs practice, needs repetition, and again, just spending time at the machine is what is going to make you better. So this class is dedicated to bringing you to your machine 25 times, working on smaller blocks. We are going to use individual practice blocks to learn different free motion quilting designs. Nothing is going to be wasted though, okay? We're going to take those blocks and we're going to turn them into a rag quilt. This will end up a beautiful record of your progress on free motion. So some of your blocks might be really bad, but we're going to let it go and we're just going to own our terribleness. But at the end of it, you're going to start seeing some improvement. Our goal is just steady improvement. It's not to be amazing. It is steady improvement. Each lesson is going to teach you one design for one block. If you're a part of Quilty Club, this class is included and ready for you in your dashboard. And if you're not yet a member and you would like access to this class along with every other quilting class on the site, you're welcome to join Quilty Club at any time. Quilt as Desired is also available as an individual course if you prefer. Quilt as Desired is going to begin with simple movement, then build to borders, then build to feathers. Then we're going to combine designs, and then we're going to have full all over texture. By the end of this course, I expect that you'll be able to come to your sewing machine with confidence and be ready to free motion quilt.